Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of smart home cleaning with iLife A20 robotic vacuum cleaner. This device promises to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. Let's unbox it. The iLife A20 comes in a sleek and a modern box. Inside, you will find a user manual, a vacuum cleaner, a 2-in-1 dust and a water tank it has behind the vacuum cleaner. Here you go. There's the water tank and the dust collector. And this is the charging point where it will go and charge automatically when the battery is low. There's a mop inside. That's the mop base. And that's a filter, a cleaning brush, which will help you clean the edges. And these are the side brushes. So the entire box contains side brushes, reusable wet mopping cloths, a mop base, a cleaning brush, a filter and a user manual. Okay, so let's put the iLife A20 to test. So we'll start by setting it up using the iLife Home app, which allows you to control the vacuum, and it allows you to set up the cleaning schedules and create a no-go zone. It is a very user friendly app, so I have first mapped the entire house with the help of this map, and I have started the machine. So at first it will map the entire house. You can mark no go zone areas where the machine will not go, and then you can start with the cleaning process. While the robo has started with its cleaning process, let's talk about some key features of iLife A20. So this robotic vacuum cleaner uses advanced LiDAR navigation technique, LIDAR navigation technology, which allows it to map your home with precision and helps it to navigate efficiently. All the edges are covered very effectively unless it cannot reach that place. And if you can see, there are these side brushes to it, which will take the tiny hairs and the dust particles which are stuck on the edges, which will make sure that no dust particle is left and your home is cleaned throughoutly. Once the cleaning process is done, it will give a message of cleaning finished and will return to its starting position.
Cleaning finished. Returning to the starting position.
Now let's proceed to install the mop. Since first I had asked it to just clean the house, so it vacuumed the house, and now we will install the mop and check how it mops the house. So this is the way you have to insert the mop. There's a water tank. It will release water as and when is required and clean your house. So yeah, it's ready to go. Now let's change the function. Since earlier I had just kept sweep feature, now I will select the mop feature. There are 3 levels for intensity of mopping: high, medium and low. Now I have kept on medium and will start with the mopping.
Start mopping. location done.
The map shows you the areas where it had reached and cleaned. So here all it had roamed and vacuumed first. So entire house is divided into different rooms. We have also marked the no-go zones where it will not go to clean, and here it shows that entire area has been covered. Snow is just curious about this new little device and is inspecting it whether it's been cleaned properly or not. Here's our little inspector. Moving on, so iLife A20 has a powerful suction of up to 3000 PA, making it very much capable of picking up dirt and debris from various surfaces, including hard floor and carpets. It has a self-assessing feature. Whenever the power is low, it will read out a message loud and go back to its charging dock.
Low power. Start charging.
So we really liked the work by the vacuum. The vacuum delivers really excellent results and leaves the floor spotless, free of dust and dirt. It does more than what a maid or yourself will do. It also removes stains and it leaves the floor very shiny and clean, as you can see. It has a long battery life of up to 120 minutes of runtime. It is very user friendly app control. So it's slightly pricey, and the initial installation may take some time, but once it's installed, it's ready to go. Overall, the iLife A20 is a fantastic robotic vacuum cleaner that combines the advanced technology with a very powerful performance. It's very much perfect for anyone looking to simplifying their cleaning routine and maintaining a spotless home. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you next time. Bye bye.